Hey guys, welcome back again. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. It's another installment for the PBE 2023. This one's small. We only have 3. These are from Crystal Knockout Nail Polish. So this first one, it's this yellow with these green and black flakes in it. It's weird. But I was intrigued because I don't have anything like this. This is unique and interesting. The shade is called Going for Goldens. Let's do a swatch. Oh, how cool is that? It's got a really good opacity for a yellow. You guys know yellows are a bit of a challenge and they gotta be built up. But this one I think is pretty good. It would probably only take a couple of coats. I love those flecks. They're uneven and choppy, and there's also a little bit of glitter in there to give it a little extra something. I like this one a lot. It seems like something that would be good for a specific occasion, but there is definitely an occasion for it, and I'm gonna figure it out. The next one is a blue, dark blue with this turquoise reflective shimmer, reflect. There are some flakes in here that might be purple, and then there is some hollow glitter. This one's got a lot going on. It is magical and complicated. It's called City, Skies, and Stars. Man, look at it on that brush. Can you guys hear that? That is the biggest thunder rumble, and it's just going on big and long. I hope we're not about to have some terrible storms. If you recall, we had some of those recently. We don't need no more smoke. I keep saying this when the weather gets frisky. Look at this though. That's so beautiful. I would definitely build it up with at least 2 coats, but it is nice. And if you want to do a sheer look, I mean, obviously you can. It's your nails. Do whatever you want. I think you can tell by my tattoo that this is that color combination that I'm such a big fan of. Very beautiful. And this last one, this is a black base. I can't tell, I think it's jelly. And then it's got these white glitters in it. They seem to be of different sizes. Some of them are like small hexes, some of them are micro. There may be some reflect, but I don't believe so. It's kind of sticking to the sides. I'm gonna have to shake it up really good, but I lost the sticker at some point apparently, so I have no idea what this one is called. Interesting. The bottle has the base being almost a clear shade of black. You could use this on top of a different black or just use it as a smoky gray. And then those cute little white specks are in there. It looks like there's actually some gray ones in as well, or they might be multi-chrome themselves. This is an interesting polish. Way to go, Crystal Knockout, with the interesting polishes. I would definitely do at least 2 coats of this one, but that's just me. This swatch does seem like it's going to take a bit of time to dry though. So I am going to leave it at 1 coat, at least for the sake of this video, but you may see it come up in a video in the future. Alright, so that's it for Crystal Knockout. Big fan. A little sad that I only got 3. They're super cute, but these... I did go through this booth at the later part of the day, and I had bought so many polishes already, and I didn't want to get anything similar. And they had a lot to choose from, but a lot of it was kind of in the same vein, so I did want to steer away at the time. But now that I'm seeing these polishes are more unique than they appear to be, I'm probably going to have to get some more of these in the future, but in a larger quantity. But that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.